Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna talk about how many hours you should be spending studying web development like every day. Alright guys, so this is a question that I get a lot in here. People ask me how many hours I should be studying like every day in something, but this is actually something that it depends on everyone, okay? Some people, they have more time than others to dedicate to this kind of study. But one thing that I want to let you know is a lot of people, like in my last live stream, they were asking me if they should be studying something like 3 hours every day or 4 hours. So I'm just going to give you my advice now, and it's something like this. If you are someone who you are working or you are studying, for example, you are at school or you are working as well, you spend the majority of your time doing something else, okay? So what I believe and the most effective way for you is to spend every day at least 25 minutes or 45 minutes. I talked about this technique called the Pomodoro technique. I have another video talking about this, but really, if you spend every day this kind of 25 minutes where basically you have everything closed, okay? You have your Facebook closed, you have your YouTube closed, your phone is away, there is nothing to distract you, okay? And you spend really focusing 25 minutes, and after you can take a break of 5-10 minutes, and then you do another 25 minutes. So what I really advise you guys is to spend a minimum of 25 minutes every day. I don't believe that you guys don't have 25 minutes in a day to study a little bit of web development. So you got these 25 minutes, and really, if you can, take a pause, like a break of 5-10 minutes, and then go back again with another 25 minutes. So it's going to be like in total like 15 minutes. This is what I recommend, because I'm going to tell you, if you have been working all day, or if you have been studying like in school, or if you have been doing other stuff and you are completely exhausted, if you're gonna force yourself to do more than this, like some people I remember mentioning in the live stream, if they should be studying like 2 hours or 3 hours every day, I'm gonna tell you, this is a bit unrealistic, okay? Because your mind and your body are most likely exhausted from what you have been doing all day. And if you're going to push yourself too much, you are just going to give up and you are going to start hating web development. And this is all like this. But obviously, if, for example, you are unemployed, that you are at home trying to get a job, or you still live with your parents, or you just have a little bit of more free time. There are some people who just work part-time. It depends on the situation of everyone. Obviously, instead of this, just like 25 minutes plus 25, maybe you can push yourself a little bit more. But like I said, this is like the minimum 25 minutes, and the recommended is going to be the 50. 25 plus 25. But now, there is another one that I want to come up to you, is like on the weekend, everybody on the weekend has a little bit more time, okay? So, even, look, I know that it's going to be hard for every day of the week to be studying. Some days you just feel completely exhausted, or you have other stuff to do. You need to do some shopping, you need to take care of the kids, or this or that. It's always hard. But I would recommend at least minimum of minimum, okay, like 2 days a week, from Monday to Friday, you study 2 times, let's say Tuesday and Thursday, something like this. But then on the weekend I advised at least like 2 times 50, okay? So it's like two times for example, in the morning, that you study 25 minutes and another 25 minutes, and then you can do again on Sunday, or you can do in the same day in the afternoon. I always like to take one of my days of the weekend to do completely nothing, you know, just to relax, because we all need to recharge our batteries and don't think about anything else, alright? This is almost, I want to tell you guys that this is almost like if someone is is just like starting to do some jogging or running or whatever. You know what I mean? You are not gonna go and compete in the Olympic Games straight away, okay? So you need to train, and you need to build some momentum, and you need to be ready. So you can't just like start out of nothing, start learning and studying 3 hours in a day, because you are not used to it, you are not gonna feel concentrated, and and really, this is just like what I have to say, guys. Try to start just with this little bit of times, like I said, 25 minutes minimum, and then on the weekend, one of the days, it could be Saturday or Sunday, whatever you feel like works best for you. Just push it a little bit harder, maybe more than 50 minutes if you can. And you will see that if you do this, it takes a while. It's going to take a couple of months, maybe 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, until you feel like you are a bit more ready. But it's going to help. If you stop a complete week without doing nothing, this is going to really set you back, okay? You are not going to progress as much. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I know that a lot of people have been asking me about this. Try to be realistic, and I know that a lot of people is really hard for you, but try to commit at least this kind of 25 minutes. And if you don't know about the Pomodoro technique that I have on my channel, just go a few videos back, and it's just there's how you can learn like faster using this technique. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.